how to position the edge panel's handle to the left or the right on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. From here, we scroll down and then tap on display. Next, scroll down and tap on edge panels, tap on the left hand side. In here, go down and tap on handle. At the top here, tap on position. And from the pop-up, you could select left or right. So here, if I select left, you can see the edge panel is now on the left. And if you tap on the back key, here it's on the left side. And if I change it to the right hand side, it is now on the right hand side. You can also kind of like drag it as well. Sometimes you can drag it, just hold on the panel, and then we can drag it to the left like that as well. So drag on the left panel. And once you get a grip on the edge panel, you can drag it to the left or to the right as well like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.